Hi and welcome to this Tracpartz tutorial. In this video we will show you how to replace a radiator on small Iseki tractors. These are the tools and parts you need to get the job done. A dip tray, a wrench, a water pump plier, a rattle tool and an impact wrench. Looking for the right parts for your tractor? We have more than 14,000 parts in stock and worldwide shipping. Please visit Tracpartz.com and find the parts you need. New to this channel? Please subscribe, hit the bell and get notified to new videos. Alright, let's get started. First, remove the side covers from the engine. Take your dip tray and place it under the tractor so that you can drain your coolant into it. Open the coolant drain plug so that the coolant drains out of the radiator. Open the radiator lid to speed up this process and ensure that the radiator drains properly. Get your impact wrench and loosen the bolts of the engine cover so that you can remove it. Now loosen the bolts of the air filter housing. Side note, this can be different per tractor, so take a good look at what is necessary and how it looks like on your tractor. Then remove the housing. Now loosen the hose clamps from the cooling water hoses and pull them off the radiator. There still might be some coolant in the hoses, so use your dip tray if needed. Get your wrenches and your rattle tool and loosen the bolts holding the radiator to the wind tunnel, and then remove the radiator. Take your new radiator and place the bolts in the holders and tighten it. Reattach the wind tunnel to the radiator using the bolts. Slide the cooling hoses around the radiator and tighten the hose clamps. Reassemble the air filter housing on the tractor and any other items depending on the tractor you have. Now close the drain plug again so that you can refill the radiator with coolant. Retighten the radiator cap and place back the engine cover and the side covers. And that's it, you replace the radiator. Need more tips? Watch our other videos and share the knowledge. Thanks for watching this Tracpartz tutorial. Until next time.